The rise of the generators, understanding generative AI. Generative AI is like a computer program that can create things. It can make text, pictures, music, and even computer code. This technology is changing how we work and create. Imagine typing a few words and having AI write a whole story for you, or picture AI generating a beautiful painting from a simple description. Generative AI can do all of this and more. This technology is getting very good, very fast. It's being used in many industries. Understanding generative AI is important because it will create many new opportunities. Minting money selling your AI creations. One way to make money with generative AI is to sell what it creates. You can build and sell AI models. These models can be tailored for specific tasks like writing marketing copy or creating logos. Another option is to offer AI-powered services. Businesses are willing to pay for AI that can generate high-quality content or automate tedious tasks. AI as your business partner. Automating for efficiency and profits. Generative AI can make your business more efficient. It can automate tasks, freeing up your time. For example, AI can answer customer emails or create social media posts. This allows you to focus on growing your business. By saving time and resources, you can increase your profits. Generative AI can be a powerful tool for business growth. Beyond imagination, real-world success stories of generative AI. Many individuals and companies are already making money with generative AI. Some artists use AI to create unique pieces of art which they sell for a profit. Marketing agencies use AI to generate compelling ad copy, leading to more clients and revenue. These success stories highlight the real-world potential of generative AI for wealth creation. Section 5, the AI Toolbox, skills to master for generative AI success. You don't need to be a coding genius to use generative AI, but some technical skills are helpful. Basic programming knowledge can give you more control over the AI. Understanding data and how to use it to train AI is also beneficial. There are many online resources and courses available to learn these skills. Section 6, diving into the world of generative AI, a beginner's guide. Start by experimenting with free or affordable AI tools available online. There are many user-friendly platforms that require no coding experience. Focus on a specific niche or industry where you can apply generative AI. Join online communities and forums to connect with others and learn from their experiences. Section 7, the power of words. How generative AI is revolutionizing content creation. Generative AI is transforming how we create content, especially written content. AI tools can write articles, blog posts, social media captions, and even books. This is a huge opportunity for writers, marketers, and anyone who needs to create engaging content. AI can help you overcome writer's block, improve your writing quality, and save time. Section 8. Beyond the code, essential skills for generative AI entrepreneurs. While technical skills are important, don't underestimate the value of other skills. Creativity is crucial for coming up with innovative ways to use generative AI. Good communication skills are essential for explaining your AI-powered products or services to potential customers. Business acumen is also vital for success in this rapidly evolving field. Section 9. The future of wealth. Generative AI's potential to reshape industries. Generative AI is still in its early stages, but its potential is immense. It has the power to revolutionize industries beyond just content creation. From healthcare to finance to manufacturing, generative AI will create new jobs and opportunities. Those who embrace this technology will be well positioned for success in the future.